Good afternoon and welcome back to our channel. I'm Lewis.
And I'm Shawnee.
And we are the Dream Chasers. We are in Brecon again, looking for a free park up. The weather's been atrocious today, haven't it?
Yeah, it's been raining all day. It's literally stopped like 10-15 minutes ago for an hour.
But lucky enough in Brecon, even the rain is beautiful. Even the scenery, even when it's wet, is beautiful.
Things are better actually now sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. So yeah, just come along with us if you're up for it and see if you got anything interesting. Thank you very much. Found a park up in Brecon. Brecon Boathouse. It's a car park. A park right on the River Usk. I think it's the River Usk. I'll check out when we go back. Is it the River Usk?
You're asking
I think that's what I said. Brecon's full of charity shops and the odd pub and restaurant, bar and grill, the market.
And lovely views.
So we're in the George Hotel. We're about to, I'd like to say started raining, but it didn't really. We'll have a drink and then make our way back down and have some food.
Looking forward to my steak.
Steak. Possibly go for a swim in the river. Is it the river?
I don't know the river. Yeah, not sure. It's the river something anyway.
All rivers run through Brecon. If you know, let us know. If you know, let us know.
That's one. Lewis is over somewhere flying the drone and I'm starving, so I'm gonna prep food ready for when he gets back. He's cooking.
Time for us to make some steak. Steak, peppercorn sauce, salad, boiled potatoes that we're going to fry up in the fat. Beautiful meal. Watch this.
Smells good.
So how do you eat your steaks? Let us know in the comments whether you like a blue,
medium rare.
medium rare. That's what we eat, medium rares.
You don't. Well,
I do. I want it. I want it
yeah.
as raw as I can, but I don't want no blood.
Yeah, you like it pink, but you want it juicy to be clear. I don't know.
I don't want. Yeah, exactly. I don't like blood.
I do. And just like that, dinner is served.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
We lost light a lot quicker than we wanted to, but summer's over, yeah. So we're gonna
put the bed up, put a film on, have an early night, hopefully get up and see some.
we're gonna set a projector up, or we're just gonna jump on a laptop.
A laptop with that.
Yeah.
Projector's cool outside the van, but in here we don't really need it.
No, I know. And then apparently, we've been told if we get up early enough in the morning for sunrise, we should be able to see the otters. This is where they feed in the morning, so yeah, that'll be some wicked footage for you.
If that happens.
If it happens, it's out there.
So good night from us, and we will catch you in the morning.
Good morning from Brecon Boathouse car park. We were up for sunrise, but there was no sunrise. It got light. Shawnee's still in bed, as she always is when I get up in the mornings. Got some visitors. But it's been beautiful. I've seen some trout jumping 3 kingfishers past me together. 3 together. I never seen that. But I just thought I'd say good morning while the coffee's boiling. Well, the coffee's boiled actually. So I'm gonna have a cuppa now, and then try and wake Shoni up, see if she wants one. It's raining hard. Second cup of coffee on a go. In the rain. But I'm going to wake Shoni up now. Fill with their coffee. Because I'm good like that. Ask her, I'm sure she'll tell you. Open the door, babe. Open the door. Push open.
Thank you.
Good
That's
sleep.
lovely and warm. Yeah, lovely. Boiling all.
What warm there.
Yeah. Nice day for the ducks. Good morning. It's now 8:10. I've been awake all of like 10 minutes. Lewis was up at 5 o'clock. He's been out by the river making coffee, he's been for a walk, he's had a wander around. He's now gone to find the toilet. I'm gonna drink my coffee and get ready to leave because unfortunately we have got work later on. If you're new around here, thanks for watching and consider giving us a like and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. And until next time, bye.
And that's it. We gotta go to work. So thanks for coming along, and catch you next time. Out.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows, if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control.